Hi guys, Max here with In the Snow, and today my second ski was the Blizzard Rustler 10. So coming in at around £680 with bindings, you're getting a ski that is really good all round. So it's a freeride ski, but we've done a bit of both today. So freeride it's a solid ski with a titanium plate. So in these bumps that we've got here today, it's been really solid underfoot, no real problems. You can really charge on it. It'll be a ski for somebody who wants to be looking to go faster in the bumps, for example, and he's looking for more of a really pure free ride, also on the slopes, and really easy carver. And I've just been able to rip it up a little with these, and it's been absolutely great. So a ski that's really suited for somebody with a high level and is looking for a ski that's really good for any situation. And yeah, coming in at 680, it's a little bit more expensive, but it's worth the price. So yeah, Blizzard Rustler 10 coming in strong.